Welcome everyone to Linden and Cooking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely orange and mandarin and cranberry juice. Lovely, fresh, and healthy. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just let you know you're welcome and I'm happy to have you. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Let's go into the video. Now the first step I'm going to do to make our drink, I'm just going to add some bicarbonate. So you put some bicarbonate in a bowl. We're just going to pour our cranberry in and put some water over it. Just give it a bit of wash. So we'll get ourselves some mandarin. Some people call it tangerine, depends on the country. Some people call it orange mandarin or sapsumas. So I'm going to take the skin off this. So you go ahead and take the skin off. So this skin you're taking off, you can easily use it to make a cup of tea, or you can just dry them out and use it for cakes, whatever way you want it. So go ahead, take the skin off. I'll be using about 4 to 5 of these. But if you think you need more, please go ahead and do so. All of that is personal preference. And when you're making this type of drink, if you want to strain it off, you strain it off. That's personal preference, you know, because if you want to leave it rough, for me personally, I don't like too much bits in my drink, but that's personal. Just get your knife and cut them up a little bit. Today I will be using my stick blender. You can use whatever blender you have. All of that is personal. So I'll be using this. Very effective. It's like a stick blender. Very fast also. Just go ahead and put your bits in it. Cranberry. You just go ahead, load them in. And with this, I will be adding some water. So go ahead, add some water to help the blending process. If you want to add a bit of honey to this, you can. You want to add some cinnamon, you can. All of that is personal preference. So with this, I'll be straining this off. For those who want the fiber in it, you can leave it in. That's personal preference. If you're going for that sort of drink, please feel free to do so. Leave the fiber in. But for me, I don't like bits. So I like when it's smooth, cool, and nice. With this, if you think you want to save this, make yourself some tea, add a bit of lemon, bit of ginger. You can do so. So normally, I strain this twice. So I'll be running this through the strainer again. So our drink is ready. So what you can do, get your glass, you pour him straight out. Look how lovely that is. Look at the consistency. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Very nice. Have another one for you. Just in case you have a bottle, get yourself a bottle and you strain it. Just pour it straight in and follow it. This one is for the fridge. So you can put this in the fridge. So just get yourself a funnel. You know, it doesn't have to be a metal one, but this one is pretty good. Pop your lid on. Look at that. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you all. Peace be.